So my buddy Ryan came by today and we're gonna do a little bit of work on his car. He found a part out of an Evo R M3 and it had the fiberglass wide body on it. So we were working on getting that off. We wanted to kind of get it off before we did any videoing, but we got it up here and it's got the fiberglass side skirt molded to it. So we're gonna work on getting that apart and cleaning up along the edges of where it was molded to the car and the actual panel. So this is gonna be a little bit of information going on for content, and it's gonna be going on his turbo LS car. We're gonna try to get that, do a little bit of metal work on it and see what all we can get done. But we'll have a little bit of video today, try to get out a quick little video, and then I think we're also going to be molding and kind of doing what I'm doing on my mid wing with a Toyota MR2 wing and putting on this car. So I think it'll be pretty cool. This is one of the fresh quarter panels that he cut off just extra. He needed a little bit of patchwork for the back, and then he wanted to work with me to be able to get the body off, and it's just turning out to be a lot easier to do it off the car. So we're gonna go through. We found that doing a score line kind of around where it breaks works fairly well, so it doesn't kind of crack out. And then kind of just using a hammer, pry bar, chisel, and going through. If I have to repair any cracks with the fiberglass, it won't be that bad of a deal. But gonna set you up and we'll just end up doing a little bit of a time lapse of getting this side off. So I just want to put out this short video on these for now. We've got the sides trimmed up. You can see we've got it cut down mainly to the body, or the main panel that it came with. We'll end up taking down, it's got some Bondo bodywork on the outsides. We'll take it down to fiberglass when we go to fiberglass it onto the car. But these are for the most part ready. We're gonna do a little bit of patchwork on the rear of the car, but it's gonna be over time. I'll try to put different videos out as we do it. It's gonna be a super cool car, and The goal at least is to try to have the body on by Helen, and he's not sure what else for there, but that's what we discussed. So timeline wise, try to keep an eye out for this, and hopefully this will be a cool project to keep out.